Every morning I am like this.
Yes, I know you are. Everyone will believe that you are. Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
We begin our ride to Madurai.
Yes,
Our time in Rameshwaram has ended. This is last
it was
stop.
really awesome stay.
As you see, we are again in the same place for breakfast because we
Yes.
really enjoyed yesterday. Our new sort of favorite vegetarian item for breakfast is the veg pap.
So, and our chai is ready already here. Today, as Gabi says, Madurai is 3 hours, 170 kilometers something. Now it's 10 o'clock, so plus minus we will be 2 o'clock there, and then we are planning to sightseeing Madurai.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit because they don't have much things, only temples, but we love South Indian temples. So what we're gonna do is choose some best 3 which we can show you guys if they allow us, and then we go further.
So, Dosto, we are on the way to Madurai. After about 1.5 hour driving, we are stopping to stretch and we'll
90
go
kilometer
further.
left now, so 1.5 hour more. And as I see, someone have things here for cutting the farm things. I
Yeah.
guess someone just leave it.
This day is going very well. Today road is very easy, like just smooth going. We are on a
Not
sort
a
of
bumpy
bigger
road. Not
so
a bumpy road, yeah.
yes, it's easy.
Not a bumpy road.
We shall see how Madurai welcomes us.
So we are at Hotel NEEWER.
After a long and exhausting look for hotel in Madurai, we finally have something. It's not perfect because we have funny bunk beds for the first time ever, but it's good enough. So,
But that's why, let's try it and we will know how it goes, yeah? This is
Exactly.
new experience for us. We were here like 2 o'clock and now it's 3:30. We took 1.5 hours around in Madurai.
So we already see how is and what is there.
Yeah,
Kind
and
of, kind
even
of.
how is people and everything. Because, yeah. So let's get us to change and then we'll be explore the Madurai.
Probably mission coffee because we see a lot of coffee here.
For you, not for me.